Hey, Kjell in Denmark. Today we're gonna work a little more on my TravelRest, and I've mounted it here with screws under countersunk screws from the bottom here. Here I have the mounting screws. 40. These two here are 40 millimeters, and this, the third one there, and the other end is 10 millimeters. And I think I have drilled the pilot hole for that short one here. I think I have drilled that a little too long because the shape would be something like that. So the pilot hole for this short one here is, I think, a little too long. And it's as good as it can be with people in this shop concerning the square to this surface down there. So now, today we're gonna find out how to find the center and the 45 degrees for the slider. And I've mounted a drill in the chuck, and I just plan to take the slide up here let's see if we can make a little more light and just start. I think I can see it there. Now I have the center here, and now I have to find two things: a vertical line here, and from the center 45 degrees up here. That's my next move. And I think I have to mount a very big boring bar here, and then with a cutter up here, then I can drive the cross slide from one side to the other, and then scribe a line over here, and then use this line to find the 45 degrees up there. I've mounted the boring bar, and with the cutter down here and moving the cross slide, I made this line from here to about here. Maybe you can't see it, but unfortunately it's only 50 millimeters long, but I think it's enough. It's a little under the center, but that doesn't matter. I just have to use it for a base for 45 degrees angle I want to make there. Now I'll try to figure out where this 45 degree line should be, and then I'll mill the groove here in the first place before I sort out the main shape of the TravelRest. I think that's the best solution. Now I've ensured that this surface here is parallel to the table within plus minus half a millimeter. And two, I have a scribe line here describing where this side of this groove for the glider should be. And this scribe line is parallel to this surface on the mill. So now I think I can mount an end mill cutter and then mill this out for the slider, or what it's called. But I think you'll understand what I mean. And I believe the slider itself should be 15 millimeter and then 10 millimeters down here. Maybe a little more, protruding a pair of millimeters above this surface here. I had to do a little test run here to ensure that the cutting edge in fact is parallel to this scribe line. I measured it to the surface over here, but so now I've ensured that the distance from here to the scribe line is the same in this end and in this end. Now, now I've ensured that the distance from the fastening hole here to the edge in both sides are exactly the same, within hundredths of a millimeter. So that should be enough for me. And the depth is a little over 12 millimeter, and the glider should be 15. So there's 3 millimeters protrusion here to clamp it. And that's good. Yeah, now I'll drill this hole for 12 millimeter and ream it. Drill 11.5 and ream it the rest of the way. Yeah. Now I've done the most milling part of it, and now I'm preparing with a saw to cut down here and here and leave that with the center in it, and cut down here to get the overall shape of the traveling rest. But this one here looks nice, I think, and the hole is in the center, so it should be gliding in exactly 45 degrees up and down. Now I have to bore out the last of the round center. Seems like the cup is too narrow, but it isn't, because I've removed some of the center part in there. Yeah. Now I have to make it nice, with a file and round the corners, and so.